Hello all, welcome to my channel Para Info World. Today we are going to discuss weekly current affairs of September 2020, which is part 5, and the complete video will be in English. We will discuss important static GK also, which is very important for exam point of view. This video is in English. If you want to revise in Hindi, it is also available separately. So it is the better combination. You see this video and revise in Hindi so that it will be good and it will be useful to you for your exam. So let us start. Which state has received United Nations Award for preventing and controlling the communicable diseases? So the question is, which state has received the United Nations Award? Okay. So the answer is Kerala. D correct answer. So Kerala has received for preventing and controlling the non-communicable diseases. So this award is received on 23rd September for its outstanding contribution. The UN Integracy Task Force Award. What is the name of award? UN Integracy Task Force Award was announced by WHO Director General, whose name is Ghebreyesus. Okay, so the Director General of WHO, Ghebreyesus, has announced this award, and this award is for non-communicable diseases. So what is non-communicable diseases? You might be knowing, like heart disease, then cancer, diabetes, then lung diseases. These are the non-communicable diseases, and which collectively responsible for almost 70% of all death worldwide. Means 70% deaths in the world are due to these non-communicable diseases. Next question, what is the rank of India in World Bank's Human Capital Index 2020? So what is this? What is the rank of India in World Bank's? World Bank has given this rank, Human Capital Index. Okay, so Human Capital Index rank is 116th, 116th rank of India received. So this report is released by World Bank on 16 September. India's score increased to 0.49 from 0.44 in 2018. So there is some improvement in rank of India. It is from 0.44 to 0.49 score is there. So this is the ranking of 174. So India has received 116 out of 174 countries. Ranking of India in the report for 2018, it was 115 out of 157. Okay. So top 3 countries in this World Bank's Human Capital Index. First is Singapore, second is Hong Kong and China, and third is Japan. Okay, so keep in mind this rank is for Human Capital Index. So Human Capital, okay. So लोगों का जो कैपिटल है उसका इंडेक्स है, और किसने दिया है? वर्ल्ड बैंक ने दिया है. नेक्स्ट इज, इन विच स्टेट कोसी रेल मेगा ब्रिज एंड 12 railway projects are inaugurated? So कोसी रेल मेगा ब्रिज, ये ख्याल में रखो, एंड 12 रेल प्रोजेक्ट्स. So answer is Bihar. In Bihar, these projects are inaugurated. C correct answer, Bihar. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated on 18th September by video conferencing. This length of this Kosi mega bridge is 1.9 kilometer long, and it has been completed at a total cost of 516 crore rupees. Okay. The bridge has connected Mithila and Kosi region. Okay, so investment is 516 crore and the length of the bridge is 1.9 kilometers. So all this information is questions can be there on this information. Okay, so keep in mind, like Kosi rail mega bridge, what is the length of that bridge? So 1.9 kilometer. Okay, what is the investment? 516 crore. And which city it connects? So the bridge has connected Mithila and Kosi region. Okay, So these two regions it has connected. This bridge is of strategic importance along Indo-Nepal border. So there is border near this bridge, Indo-Nepal. So this this is important for that point of view also. In 2003, the foundation stone of this railway Mahasetu was laid by the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So foundation stone was laid in 2003. This is also important, and by at the hands of Prime Minister at that then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next is, who is the first female pilot of Rafale? So first female pilot of Rafale is Shivangi Singh. A correct answer. So Rafale, as we know, world's finest fighter aircraft. So Shivangi is flight lieutenant in Air Force, and she is resident of Varanasi, UP, and studied at BHU, that is Banarsi Hindu University. After completing the conversion training, formal entry will be made in 17 Golden Arrows Squadron at Ambala base at Air Force. Okay, so now her training is going on. After this training, she will be commissioned in 17th Golden Arrows Squadron, which is at Ambala, for as a pilot of Rafale. So she was in the Air Force. She joined the Air Force in 2017. Indian Air Force has 10 female pilots flying fighter planes. These pilots have gone through the rigorous training of flying supersonic jets. So expenditure of training of a pilot is rupees 15 crores. So this is also uh, interesting to know. Expenditure of training of each pilot is rupees 15 crore. Now next is, who has been appointed as Chief of National Technical Research Organization, NTRO. So what is the name of organization? National Technical Research Organization. So Chief of NTRO is Anil Dhasmana. C correct answer. Anil Dhasmana is the Chief of National Technical Research Organization. So who is Anil Dhasmana? He is former Research and Analysis Wing Chief, RAW Chief. His appointment is for 2 years, and he is 1981 batch Madhya Pradesh cadre IPS officer. So Anil Dhasmana was RAW. RAW is the Research and Analysis Wing Chief, former chief, and his appointment as a chief of NTRO is for 2 years. He is 1981 batch Madhya Pradesh cadre IPS officer. NTRO is the country's technical. What is an NTRO? The question is, the NTRO is the country's technical intelligence agency that looks after geospatial intelligence and satellite imagery. ये जो भी सैटेलाइट की इमेजेस लेते हैं या फिर जियोस्पेशल इंटेलिजेंस है, उसको ये मॉनिटर करती है, उसको ये ख्याल रखती है, उसको बारे में कंट्रोल करती है NTRO. तो NTRO works under the Prime Minister's Office and the National Security Advisor. It was established in 2004. Thoughts of this video, which inspires to everyone. I think it inspires to me also. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. So sometimes what happens, we get afraid of all these things, that I will not be able to study properly, or I am not much intelligent to pass this exam. So we get fear, and we get fear of failure. So but then you will not succeed. If you want to succeed, desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. तो मैं ये एग्ज़ाम को पास करूँगा ही, और मुझे करना ही है, तो ऐसा आपके मन में आना ही चाहिए, तभी आप उसको सक्सेस आपको मिल सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ बुक किचन्स ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड? सो ऑथर ऑफ दिस बुक इज विकास खन्ना. ए करेक्ट आंसर है. नेम ऑफ द बुक इज किचन्स ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड ऑथर इज विकास खन्ना. ए करेक्ट आंसर. So the book will be released in 2021. Vikas Khanna, who is Vikas Khanna? He is Indian star chef and film producer. In this book, he has written about his Feed in India initiative. He is part of this initiative, Feed India, and in this book, he has written the about this. What is Feed India initiative? It is the one of the largest food drives in the world, serving meals to the underprivileged. ज़रूरतमंदों को फूड देने का काम करती है ये कैंपेन फूड इंडिया. सो which is very good actually. Vikas Khanna started this campaign from his home in Manhattan, New York. He will also be honored with 2020 Asia Game Changer Award in October. Which company will build India's new parliament building? So, India's new parliament building will be constructed by Tata Projects. C correct answer, Tata Project. So, cost of construction will be around 861.90 crores. So, this was the bid of Tata Projects, and on this bid only they received this order. And the Central Public Works Department called BIDS, PWD, सेंट्रल का PWD डिपार्टमेंट, PWD है पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट, उसने बीट कॉल किया, टेंडर कॉल किया. It is expected to be completed in 21 months once the construction work starts. The new parliament building will be built near existing parliament house in Delhi. The construction of the first parliament house was started in 1921, which was completed in 1927. So this is again the important question can be from this. When was Parliament House construction started? So 1921, and it was completed after 6 years, that is 1927. Vodafone has won the international arbitration case against government of India in the tax dispute case of. So what is the amount they won? The amount is rupees 20,000 crore. B correct answer. So Vodafone Group PLC has won a long pending arbitration against India with the Permanent Court of Arbitration in Hague, Netherlands. So this case is won in Hague, Netherlands, ruling that it was mentioned that Indian income tax authorities had violated provisions of the bilateral investment treaty with the Netherlands. So बताया गया कि इंडियन इनकम टैक्स के जो ऑफिशियल्स है उन्होंने वायलेट किया प्रोविजंस, जो भी ट्रीटी हुआ था, इसकी वजह से ये उनको जुर्माना भरना पड़ेगा, ऐसा ये केस है. Who is selected as the new chairman of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI? So new chairman of TRAI, TRAI is P.D. Waghela. D correct answer है. The appointment committee of the cabinet appointed on September 28, 2020, and P.D. Waghela is 1986 batch Gujarat cadre IS officer. He is currently the secretary of the Union Government's Department of Pharmaceutical. He will replace R.S. Sharma. So again, all information is important. Like P.D. Waghela is 1986 batch Gujarat cadre IS officer. He is currently the secretary of the Union Government's Department of Pharmaceuticals, and he will replace R.S. Sharma. So about Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, chairman is P.D. Waghela, founded on 20th February 1997, and headquarters is New Delhi. Next question, which military exercise was conducted between India and Japan recently? So name of that military exercise is JIMEX 2020, a correct answer. So it is between Japan and India. This was 4th edition of the 3-day India-Japan maritime bilateral exercise. It was bilateral naval. ठीक है, तो GMEX 2020 is between the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force and the Indian Navy, and it was concluded on September 28. So this is for this video. I hope this information is very much is useful to you, and we have taken lot of efforts. We have done lot of research to get this information. So please support the channel. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed, and press the bell icon. And please like करना ना भूलिए, like कीजिए, so that it will motivate us. And share this video to your friend circle. They will also get benefited. Our channel also will get benefited. So thank you very much for being with us.